so proud that Yuki is very much stable now, although we've been through a lot of difficulties, you know that, right? Since day one. So we had this wave 1, wave 2, until wave 6, and then suddenly it went down to, of course, we're talking about the best and the brightest for outbound, and that's courtesy of Daily now. Thank you so much. Give us a round of applause, guys. And I also want to thank Paolo Salud, your team leaders, Paolo Salud, and I know that TL is doing an exceptional job when it comes to motivation, supporting you guys as well as learning. What else? I will be transferring now to a different environment, and that's going to be a DirecTV, because I know that I can be a great resource for these people. But remember guys, remember our motto before, diba sinabi ko sa inyo, quantity, quality, integrity, and unity. Okay? I always say this when I conduct training, whether it's outbound, inbound, or welcome, retention, because I've been through a lot. Remember guys, being upset and being sad is something that we can stop from happening. But being miserable is your choice. I will never forget you. I've learned something from you. And even though, remember, you admonish, UK is my first love. You know that. Okay? I will share this with all the people. I know. Alam niyo naman ito yung laban naman natin na ito, di ba? Alam niyo naman ito na. We fought for this, we're very much determined. Sa mga natarayan ko before, sa mga coaching, methodology. Don't take it emotionally, don't take it seriously. You have to move this life in a relationship. Okay? I love you. Keep up the good work. Make me proud of the mother. You know that. And you have your pictures, your ate, and your kuya. And also would like to thank Tony. Tony San Antonio. Tony San Antonio has been part of the success of outbound family, outbound US, outbound welcome, outbound UK. He has been my mentor ever since. So kung sino na kayong pasalamatan sa kanya, I owe Tony a lot because he entrusted me of this particular project. And I worked hard for this before I get this position. And I was so proud that I made this far. And I also would like to thank my, of course, Madam Ursula.